Welcome back to the channel. My name is Leigh from Leigh's Kitchen. Today we're making probably the easiest no-bake cheesecake, and it is so easy to make. It's a raspberry white chocolate cheesecake, and I make it every Christmas, and it is so delicious. So come along and I'll show you how to make it. So every Christmas I usually make a cheesecake, and even though I'm only just weight bearing now on my feet, I thought I'm still going to make it anyway. So we're going to make today a delicious raspberry white chocolate cheesecake. And the thing with this is it's so easy to make and it uses so little ingredients, which I love about it. So today I'm not actually cooking in my kitchen. I'm going to be cooking in my parents' kitchen. So you're going to notice the kitchen is a little bit different. We're just down here to do some maintenance at the moment, and I thought I'd get the camera out while I'm still here because the backdrop is bloody beautiful.
So for the ingredients today, we have a 500 gram bag of frozen raspberries. We have 300 mils of thickened cream, a 250 gram container of cream cheese, 125 grams of butter, a sleeve of Marie biscuits. This is the one I choose to use with my cheesecakes. And then I just have a basic block of white chocolate. And then we're going to need the juice and zest of a lemon. So firstly, we're going to line our springform pan with foil just to make it easier for later on where we go to take it out. Now I'm going to crush up my Marie biscuits. Now, you could do this in the food processor. I'm just going to do it by hand because I couldn't be bothered actually taking it out or anything like that. So I'm just going to bash these by hand. And you want to get it as small as you can, but I don't mind the larger crumbs in it. So now that is all crushed up, I'm going to melt 125 grams of butter in the microwave until it's all melted. And then we're going to stir it through the crumbs until it resembles wet sand. Now, if you need to add a little bit more butter, do so. Keep in mind all biscuits are going to use a different amount of butter. Now we're going to add it to the springform pan, and we're just going to spread that all out, and then we're going to press it into the actual pan. So for this, I'm going to be using a glass. Just anything flat will actually really do a really good job. So I have this glass with a really flat bottom, and we're just going to keep going around and just get that compressed as much as possible until it's nice and flat. Once it is done, we're going to put that into the refrigerator, and that butter is going to help set that base. So we're going to add the cream to a stand mixer, or we're going to whisk it with beaters, and we're going to whisk that to stiff peaks. And this is really going to lighten up that actual cheesecake. Once it has come to stiff peaks, if you're using a stand mixer, you want to transfer this to a different bowl and put it aside for later. And then in that same bowl, we're going to add our cream cheese. And then we're going to add our lemon zest, as well as our lemon juice. And now we're going to beat this till it is silky smooth, just for a couple of minutes. While that is beating, we're going to melt our chocolate. So I'm just going to cut it into squares, and I'm going to microwave it at 80% power for about a minute at a time until it's all melted. And then we're going to add that to our cheesecake mix. Just pour all that in. And then we're going to beat this until it's all combined. The chocolate is going to set, and that's going to hold our cheesecake together. And it's also going to be our sweetener as well. Last, we're going to add our cream. So you could fold this through if you really wanted to. I'll just use the beaters because it's a lot more easier. So we're just going to beat that through until all of that is combined. Once it's all combined, we're going to add half of our raspberries, so 250 grams of raspberries. And we're just going to fold these through, just making sure we don't break them up. And then we're going to pour this into our biscuit base. And we're going to smooth all that right out. And then with the other half of the raspberries, I'm just going to put these on top. Now, if you really want to, you could buy fresh raspberries and put those on top. Raspberries at the moment are quite expensive, so I decided not to. I've just put those on top, and I'm just going to use a spoon and just like, all right, scoop them out and everything. It still tastes absolutely amazing. And there we go. Raspberry white chocolate cheesecake. So easy to make and so delicious.
So there we go. How easy was that? Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to eat it today because I'm actually saving it for Christmas Day. But it is so easy to make and it is so delicious, and everyone that I've made it for absolutely loves it. So I hope you give it a go, and I'd like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.